23% of Harvard students were jobless 3 months after graduating. Artificial intelligence is coming for your job. AI is going to replace you.
बंद कर देंगे.
Posts. Is this the beginning of a jobless future?
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज होने वाली है. It's going to be like a proper crisis.
AI agent.
Agents. Agent. Agents. Agents. Agent. 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 Agentic.
Before we begin, one thing, this isn't an AI agent. You are listening to a human being, and this human being is called as Abdul Rahim Sutar, CTO at Innoovatum. Let's start. This is not just a workshop, this is a one-day transformation. Innoovatum presents India's first and most practical AI workshop, AI Infinity Sprint. Build, deploy and conquer. If you are a pre-final year, final year student or an IT professional trying to stay relevant, this is for you, because the reality is simple. AI is changing everything, and the ones who will win are not the ones who know theory, but the ones who can build. In just 2 days, you will go from zero to a deployed AI agent. No fluff, no filler, only real hands-on execution. You will cover 16 powerful topics through 7 hands-on labs and build 4 real AI agent projects using industry tools like Python for AI, OpenAI APIs and LLM architecture. You will master prompt engineering, work with Hugging Face and build intelligent systems using RAG and vector databases. You will use LangChain and Llama Index, run local LLMs with Ollama and create agents using the React framework. Then you take it to the next level. You will build backend systems using fast API, convert your idea into a real application with Streamlit, deploy your own working AI project. A real portfolio app, something you can confidently show in your interviews. All of this within just 8 hours of focused learning. And what makes it even more powerful is that you use this is your chance to move ahead while others are still figuring this out. Only 55 seats are available on the first come and first serve basis. Early bird offer register is also available before 30th May for just $499. After that, the price is going to rise for $799. Book your seats before it's gone. Register now, join the AI Infinity Sprint, build, deploy and conquer. Thank you.